Welcome to GKey Solutions Private Limited.
SQL Server Database, Real-Time Interview Questions and Answers.
Question number 48. How to combine values from multiple rows into a single string? In this session, we are going to discuss about how to combine values from multiple rows into a single string. For combining multiple row values into a single string grouped by some column, the below are the different approaches. First approach is using string underscore AGG function. It supports from SQL Server 2000 plus versions only. This is the simplest and recommended approach if you are on SQL Server 2017 or later versions. There is a query. Select employee like student ID, string underscore AGG function, subject and comma is the delimiter as subjects from students group by student ID. Coming to the explanation, string underscore AGG function, here the column name and the separator is the delimiter, takes all values from the column for each group and joins them with the separator you provide. If you want to add ordering, it is optional that if you want to do it, you can add ordering as well. For this, there is a query. Select the student ID, string underscore AGG, subjects, comma, delimiter, within group order by subjects as subjects from students table, group by student ID. Now the values inside the string are sorted alphabetically. If you want to remove the duplicates from SQL Server 2022 plus versions, there is functionality or a capability. Select student ID, string underscore AGG, distinct subjects, comma, delimiter as subjects from students group by student ID. This will eliminate duplicate values like maths for student ID 3. We have data in SSMS practically, we'll see over there, and this duplicate removal thing will be implemented from the SQL Server 2022 plus versions only. Let's see these things practically in SSMS. We are in SQL Server Management Studio. We are at demo at GKey database. Here we are going to create a table called students with the column student ID and subject. Here different student IDs we are having. Student ID 1 with math, student ID 1 with science, student ID 1 with English. The same way different IDs with different subjects. We are going to create this table and insert the data. 9 rows got inserted. Here combine multiple rows values into a single string grouped by some column. First we are using string underscore aggregate function. It is from SQL Server 2017 version only. Here is a query. Select the student ID, string underscore AGG, subject. Here comma is a delimiter. Why? Because comma has to be used as a delimiter here as subjects from students group by student ID. We are grouping the student ID because we are having different duplicate values in the student ID. Let's see this query practically. See, here student ID 1 is grouped and student ID 1 we are having English, history and maths are the 3 different subjects that has been grouped and it has been created single string. And same way for student ID 2, history, geography has been grouped. In the same way for the student ID 3, biology, chemistry, physics, maths has been grouped in this way. In this way we are grouping different strings into a single string value. This is the first thing that we have done here. And if you want to have ordering, it is an optional that even this also you can achieve by using this query. Select student ID, string underscore AGG, subjects as delimiter comma, within group order by subjects. We can order the subjects as well as subjects from students group by student ID. Let's execute this query as well. We are executed this query. We are ordering order by subjects. Here let's see, English, maths and sciences are ordered alphabetically. Let's see the other query that here the subjects are not ordered. Why? Because H is coming before and G is coming after, something like that. To order these subjects, we can use order by subject here in this way. This query here, the subjects are ordered as well. Biology, chemistry, maths and physics, these are alphabetically ordered. And coming to the third scenario, remove duplicates. If you have any duplicates, if you want to remove, you can use that as well. Here we can use distinct functionality for subjects. See, let's see maths and maths. For maths has been repeated 2 times. If you want to remove the duplicates as well, we can do that. Let's execute this query. It is not going to execute here. Why? Because we are having the version called 2019 with us. 2019 doesn't support this functionality. Why? Because we should have SQL Server. That means SQL Server Management Studio 2022 plus versions only accept this query. Here distinct, we can't use distinct in this version. And if you are using 2022 version, then you can use the distinct functionality and you can remove the duplicates as well. And this is about the string underscore AGC function that is going to group the different strings in a column. Thank you.
Stay connected with GKey IT Solutions on all your favorite platforms. Follow us on YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content. Join the GKey community and grow your IT career with us.